If somebody wants to learn, somebody wants to work and learn a trade or learn a qualification or profession, they will be welcome with open arms in my business just now.
I would say just go for it. You don't know what you're missing until you try it.
The future is female in construction.
Thank you.
There's no reason why people can't have children, can't work flexibly. So it should just be accepted. We can flex around other people.
I'm interested in seeing is diverse boardrooms, because then I know the businesses are going to be diverse.
The more we can collaborate, the more we can kind of collectively take responsibility for our culture.
Inclusion means that you feel as though you're fit. And you're never going to know that unless you talk to people, find out what is it that makes them feel as though they fit.
If you have an inclusive workforce, you could actually increase your profit margin by 26 to 35%.
There is a need to encourage women, there is a need to encourage diversity into our industry. It's okay to stand out and stand proud, and then people will take you for what you really are.
We make it a better place to work, and we do really good stuff, and we're going to talk about it and celebrate it. So the awards can do that as well. They'll tell the stories of the industry as well as the people.